Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to do a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1970 Pontiac GTO. Now, the judge call-outs on this car have been added. This is a 1970 242 real GTO, real Ram Air 3 car, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning on this beautiful car. It is a factory Orbit Orange car with the saddle interior. Gorgeous car. The paint, body, and interior in this car are very, very nice. Very, very nice, high quality car. We owned this car a couple years ago, sold it to a good customer. He needed to sell it back to us. We bought it back. Car came in the same condition that it left. Super, super nice, clean car. Like I say, the paint, body, and interior of the car, very nice. You can check out your door gaps on this car. Very, very nice. Very solid car. I don't see any bubbling or blistering down the bottom of the car. It has one little imperfection that I see in the car, a little crack in the paint right here, which that was there a couple years ago when we sold this gentleman the car. The glass is in really good shape on it. The trim, the bright work, interior, very, very nice. Dome light works, sun visors are intact, door jambs are nice, door panels. There you go. Just a beautiful car. Yes, got the functional Ram air cleaner and hood scoop, factory hood tack on the car. Got a little bit of paint peeling right here on these little seat belt brackets and a little bit of cracking on your steering wheel. The only thing I see negative on the interior seats are really, really nice. They sit great. Starts right up. Dash lights work. Hood tack works. His and her shifter. Left turn, right turn. Alright, sounds great, doesn't it? Got a great sound to it. Tail lights, light, right turn. The underneath this car is absolutely stunning. Beautiful inside, outside, everywhere. Bright headlights on for you. Turn the left turn signal on. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars every day. Give us a call if you have something you'd like to sell us, or if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful Orbit Orange 70 GTO, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. Give us a call. Either way, we'd love to talk to you. Hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll be back with you here shortly with another great quality collector car from Kinion Classics. Thanks, guys. Hey, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really appreciate it.